After analyzing their habit tracking data, students will write a reflective analysis discussing their screen time patterns. They will identify areas where they want to improve and set specific goals for reducing screen time or increasing offline activities. A reflective analysis with identified patterns and a personal action plan outlining specific goals to achieve a better balance. Approach. Here's a step-by-step approach for students. Write a reflective analysis based on their habit tracking data and developing a personal action plan. You can follow these structured steps. Step 1. Data collection. Track screen time. Students should consistently track their screen time using a habit tracking app or a journal over a specified period, e.g., 1 week. Categorize activities. Divide screen time into categories, example, social media, gaming, studying, streaming, to identify where most time is spent. Step 2. Data analysis. Review patterns. Students should analyze the collected data to identify patterns in their screen time. Consider the following: total daily screen time, peak usage times, activities that consume the most time, days with higher screen time versus lower screen time. Identify triggers. Reflect on what prompts excessive screen time. Example, boredom, social pressure, notifications. Step 3. Reflective analysis. Write reflection. Based on the data analysis, students should write a reflective piece that addresses the following: patterns observed. Summarize key findings from their screen time analysis. Example, average daily usage, most frequent activities, impact on life. Discuss how screen time affects their academic performance, social interactions, physical health, and mental well-being. Emotional response. Reflect on feelings about their current screen time habits. Are they satisfied, overwhelmed, or indifferent? Step 4. Goal setting. Identify areas for improvement. Based on the reflection, students should pinpoint specific areas where they want to improve. Example, reducing social media use, increasing outdoor activities. Set SMART goals. Create specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Examples include: reduce social media use by 30 minutes per day within the next month, spend at least 1 hour outdoors 3 times a week, limit screen time to a maximum of 2 hours on weekends. Step 5. Develop an action plan, outline strategies, create actionable steps to achieve the goals. Strategies could include setting screen time limits using app features or device settings, establishing a daily schedule that includes dedicated offline activities, reading, sports, hobbies. Finding accountability partners to support each other in reducing screen time. Create a weekly plan. Develop a weekly plan that incorporates offline activities, ensuring a balance between screen time and real-world engagement. Step 6. Implementation. Put the plan into action. Students should begin to implement their action plans and make conscious efforts to adhere to their goals. Monitor progress. Keep a weekly log of screen time and offline activities to evaluate progress toward their goals. Step 7. Reflection and adjustment. Review and reflect at the end of the set period, e.g., 1 month. Students should review their progress and reflect on their experiences. What worked well? What challenges did they face? How has their screen time or offline activity changed? Adjust goals and strategies. Based on their reflections, students can adjust their goals and strategies to continue improving their balance between screen time and offline activities. Conclusion. Final analysis. Compile a final reflective analysis that includes insights gained during the process, changes observed, and plans for future screen time management.